up, guys? Wait, hold on. What's up, guys? So, welcome back. I know it's been a minute. Right now it's about 1 o'clock in the morning. Full moon. I don't know if you guys can see the moon, but it's right there. So about to head out right now. Go run some of my flies. Mahalo to everybody that's been pushing them, that been buying orders for me. I appreciate you guys. But we'll go try and find some reds. Play around on the shoreline. Maybe hook a couple more, get lucky, who knows. But about to head out right now, so stay tuned. Tag along. Bend tips. Have fun. Be safe. Check them out. Shoot. Yep. Yes, sir, Butterbugs.
Yes, sir. Bless life.
The High Life Tubbies from Hanapal. Check them out.
High life.
We just got to the spot right now.
We're not high.
We're high on life. Put the smoothest tubbies on in all of the lands.
I need a team of $100.
$100 tubbies.
Every time, guys.
Let me see.
Support local.
Try for some reds. I'm going to walk down.
The Waikiki
West Side. Yeah, we need this right there. This is a must. Right now is 152. Go try them a little bit at this spot over here. So stay tuned. Check the Friday. Oh, the tide coming up right now. Yes, high tide is at 4 o'clock. High tide is at 4. So hopefully we get lucky with some big balls. Let's go. Yes, sir. Cause they caught a big ball last night.
Where?
Macaw, right there by the hill, right in the front.
Last night?
Yeah. I know you gonna watch this video, cuz. Yes, sir. What's that? Spider.
Wow.
Yo. Barking. Wow. Destroyer. But, yeah, nice one. Some toss too. Chop up a couple of his dogs. Try to move it up. Stay tuned, guys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, running my old setup right now. So I get them right here. Damashi branch. 2 flies. Got my light right here real quick. GoPro extra batteries is a must. But it's a magic light right there, guys. Bloom outdoors. Make your shit shine bright. So give a couple casts. See what's biting. Yes. Maybe we can go down there on a flat reef down there. Watch this step, I'm gonna fall down. Shine them up a little bit. There it is, just shine them up. Glowing. Look at that. Oh! Give one cast right there. First cast of the night. Oh! Watch out. Not trying to get wet just yet. Take the drag. Good. Hopefully we can get a couple bites, see what we can get tonight, guys. Stay tuned. Hope you guys having a killer morning, afternoon, whenever you guys gonna be watching this vloggy. Oh, got him. Hanapa. We're on one. We're on something. First cast. Oh. Menpatchis. One down. First cast. Savage flies. Ain't like that. Alright. Try again. Right on pond over there. First cast, hot on paw. Kinda complain. See if we can get. Oh shit. Oh, that was a big bite. Hot on paw, guys. One more. What we get? What we get? Oh, Menpatchi. You see that? One more down. Hee hee. Hanapa. This could be my first double of the night right here. Might be two, guys. Might be on double right here. Feels kind of heavy. What we get? What we get? Oh, one fucking Doja. Holy moly. Menpatchi Zilla. Amanilla. Okay, this Menpatchi Zilla. How's this one, guys? You see that? Shocker size. Woo. Flies is proving, gang. Check them out. Check them out. Alright, we on. ALOHA. They're getting smaller. Oh, he came off. But I was looking a little bit too close. Hook him in the eye. Sorry, fish. Send him back out. Oh, bite. Oh, ALOHA. ALOHA. ALOHA, guys. On again. What do we get? What do we get? Oh, Menpatchi. One more time. One more time. That last Menpatchi was good size. Hopefully we can keep the ball rolling. See how much we can get at the first spot. But that one hit kind of hard too. I thought it was on double. Could have had two. The hook was a little bit tangled, a second hook, but it's okay. Can always get what you like, yeah? Oh, got him, guys. ALOHA. Fish on. The tide is on the rise right now too, so that's kind of good, but oh. Oh, this might be on double, guys. Hang on. Hang on, guys. Might be the first double of the night. Yup. We get doubles, gang. Doubles. Just like Unc said. Look them. Doubles. So come on, gang. Stringer. 2, 1, time. 2, 1, time. Yes, sir. Savage flies. Add them to the pot. Took us off then. Yes, sir. On. Perfect pan fryers. Ooh. Ooh. Cook the finger. Ooh. Diabetes shot. Let's go. That's right. Shake them off. Right back out, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Hanapa. Good size for light. Big boy. Another one down, baby. Good size one, guys. Check them out. Yes, sir. One more to the pot. Oh, whoa, whoa. Yes, sir. How's that hook set? Whoop. Yes, sir. Back out. Let's go. Hit him with the UV real quick. 1 second. That's all it takes. Make sure your fly's not tangled. Bomb spot. Hope you guys having a beautiful mornings. Fish just starting to bite. High tide is at 4 something. So you can try them to the morning. See if you can get some pupil action in the morning also. Oh, good bite. On a pop. On again, guys. On again. It was like a decent size one. This horse just fly in. Hup. Ah. Good size one, guys. Pan fryers all day. Swallow the fly. In there. Ano pa, guys? On again. Ouch. That's a proper one. That's what I'm talking about. One more. Those are. Oh, this is a doja. How's this guy? Yes, sir. Fatty Bumbalari. Hee hee. Oh, the other hook stuck him on the side. Yes, sir. Keep them coming. On a paw. Oh, he's skipping on me. Hooked up, guys. Whoa. Oh. What do you get over there? Dozers only. Ow. Ow. Nice dozer. Yes, sir. When Menpatchi fishing, I usually bring a UV. This is Looms Outdoors. I hit them only like 2 seconds. 1, 2, that's all you need. It lights right up perfectly. You don't want it too bright. Uh-oh, stuck on me. I'm following you. With a class. Oh yeah, back to the same. Oh, Hanapa, guys. The UV light does a big difference from using a normal white light. The UV makes a glow pop way better. I suggest maybe investing in one. It just helps your glow hit different. Oh yeah, guys. Nice Menpatchi. One more to the aquarium. Good size one. Yes sir. But anyway, get back out there. Usually you can get like 2-3 casts on one glow, especially on the full moon where the moon's shining super bright. You don't need to really glow your flies or your grubs. As long as you get some kind of shine in it, you should be chaired. But you can pick that one up for like 60 bucks, or there's smaller ones too that you can grab, handheld UV lights. So maybe look into the market in that. Stay tuned guys. Try to get some more hookups. Hang on. Hooked up guys, Hanapa. Hanapa. Feel like we might have 2 on this run. Coming in nice, could be on those. What we get? What we get? Look. Dozer. One dozer. Whoa. Oh, this is a monster. Yes, sir. How's this monster, guys? Eat the blue fly. Oh, that dozer. Hand ratio. How's that guy? Savage flies. One in the mouth. Oh. One in the back. That's how you run them. Yes, sir. Weekends the flag in. Hooked up again, guys. Ano pa? Some swells coming in right now. Always make sure for watch your guys back. Make sure you keep your eye on the swell. Whoa. Oosh. Good. Nice little fryer. They're loving a blue, look like blue getting whacked. Hanapa guys, we on. Oh. Doubles. Oh, holy shit. Holy mackerel. Look at this Menpatchi, guys. This is a mama. Holy mama. Holy mama of Menpatchi, guys. Holy mamas. Check this guy out, guys. Oh, he's on dozer. Look at that. Raw. Hammer. And I think this came right out. Look at that. Look at this dozer, guys. Oh, hammer. Loving the blue, huh? Fly's boss. It's all broken up. Some Menpatchis are no joke. Send it back out there. Not bad spread. We're about to head to the next spot right now, guys. I'll get this camera off my chest real quick, get you guys a better view. Yes, sir. Aquariums. Next spot. Let's go. Fuck, I had a couple, but two never worked on like the blinking landing. Hopefully.
Bro, the thing is shitty with all them.
No, but we'll see. We'll try over there.
Bro, shitty. Nah, but last time when I was with Dean, I never have that shit.
Yeah. Hey, Buds. Buds. Got my mesh bag. Try this new spot right there. On the beach in Hawaii. I wish you were here with me. Walking on the beach in Hawaii, playing on the golden sand. Got some, catch some Menpatchis, put it in my bag. Blow them up. Oh, we got some surf over there. Watch out. Oh. Might have to move down. Some waves right there. Thanks, cause. Mahalo, cause.
But that banner's speed up.
Not? Not? Like fast. Oh yeah, cause it's all soft sand right there, huh? Catch on fucking 5 pound more. What, the moist? Nah. Yeah, I'm coming after this cast. Wow. Cool. Well, but it was okay. Kind of slow, honestly, but fishing. Trying to bubble and fly for now. We gotta go work. Have fun at work. Because work is fun. Got him. Got him. ALOHA, baby. Oh. What we got here? A lie. Why you gotta lie? You gotta lie. Small little lie. Stop shaking. Are you done? Come back. Mess up my slide. Well, that's the end of this episode, guys. Small kite action. Got some Menpatchis. Missed a couple big strikes. I don't know what was, but enough for cows. See what we get in there. If it's red, it's dead. Not bad, so come on. That's the end of this video, gang. Thank you for tuning in. Until the next episode, stay blessed.